Check with this. This one also apply the same thing. Solution. Here directly this time they have given f of x is equal to x e power x minus 2. Okay, equal to 0. You can put. Now first we'll check the interval f of 0. 0 into anything is 0 minus 2, which is negative. Next f of 1. How much? 1 into e power 1 minus 2. What will be e power 1? E value is 2.718. E value is 2.718 minus 2. 0.7183. Up to 4 digits I have rounded. Okay, so here 0.7183. 0.7183. Up to 4 digits I have rounded. So let us see. Okay, now is this positive or negative? Which is greater than 0? So therefore uh, f of 0 less than 0 and f of 1 is greater than 0 implies the root lies between 0 and 1 or between the interval 0 comma 1. Okay, now what will be x naught? So x naught is 0. F of x naught will be how much? F of x naught we have found it, minus 2. F dash of x naught. So first find f dash. F of x is equal to x e power x minus 2 implies f dash of x is how much? X e power x plus e power x minus 0. Okay, x e power x plus e power x. Now we need to find f dash of x naught. F dash of x naught, you have to do it in rough. So f dash of 0 will be how much? 1, sorry, first term 0, e power x, it is 2.7183. 2.7183. Otherwise, if you want, you can write it as 0 plus e power 1, sorry, e power 0, right? E power 0. So this is 1. So we'll get it as 1. Now what is the formula? x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. So x1 is equal to how much? X naught is 0 minus f of x naught. F of x naught is minus 2 divided by f dash of x naught. F dash of x naught is 1. Minus of minus will get plus 2. So this time take x1 is equal to 2. Okay. Sorry, here f of x naught is how much? Sorry, it is not 2. Wait. Wait a minute. So instead of taking x naught as 0, because every time we'll get this one, because you'll get more number of iterations. Every time the answer will be 0, right? So for that sake, you can take this also. See how much we got here. If you put x naught is equal to 0, we are getting next x value is huge difference is there. So for that sake, I will change x naught is equal to 1 first, and we'll check how much you'll get. Okay, x1, f of x1 is how much? 0.7183. F dash of x1. F dash of x1 is how much? So 1 into e power 1 plus e power 1. This will be 2e. So 2 into 2.7. How much? 2 into e. F of this is nothing but 5.4366. 5.4366. If you substitute in it, what happens? 1.1 minus 0.7183 divided by 5.4366. How much you get? X2. So 1 minus 0.7183 divided by 5.4366. 0.86. 0.8679. 0.8679. See, this time it is coming between 0 to 1. X value has been improved, right? Okay. So it is very near to 1. Clear? Why I didn't took this one means 0 means it is crossing 2, but your root is between 0 to 1. So that like that you can change the initial value. From here onwards, it won't change. Next, f of x2 will be how much? So this is nothing but in rough, you just do it. f of x2. F of x2 is nothing but x2. x2 is 0.8679 minus f of x0. F of x0 is how much? 0.8679 into e power 0.8679 minus 2 divided by f dash. So f dash is nothing but e power x, e power 0.8679 into x plus 1, 0.8679 plus 1. So this calculation you have to do. Okay. So what will be f of x2? That means 0.8679 into 0.8679, sorry, e minus 2 is equal to this one. So this value will get it as 0.673. 0.0673. Next, f dash of x2. F dash of x2 is how much? 1 plus 0.8679 into e power 0.8679. You'll get 4.4492. 4.4492. Now substitute in the formula. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x. Sorry, here this is x1. F of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So x2 is equal to how much? 0.8679 minus 0.0673 divided by 4.4492. So how much will get x3? Sorry, x2. Calculate this. 0.8679 minus of 0.0673 divided by 4.4492. 0.8528. So I'll get 0.8528. 0.8528. Now we need to find f of x2 also. F of x2 is nothing but x2 into e power x2 minus 2. So that means 0.8528 into e power 0.8528 is equal to minus 2. So 0.0008. I'll get 0.0008. 0.0084. We'll write up to 5 digits because all 3 digits are 0. F dash of x2. F dash of x2 is nothing but 1 plus 0.8528 is equal to into e power 0.8528. 4.3471. 4.3471. 7 1. Yes, are you listening? Getting right? Just I'm calculating.
Yes, sir.
Next x3 will be how much? 0.8528 minus this one 0.00084 divided by 0.3471. So x3 is equal to, just check it once, 0.8528 minus of 0.00084 divided by 4.3471. 0.8526 x3, sorry, x3 is equal to 0.8526. Okay, 0.8526. Here also I can write it as x3 is equal to 0.8526. 3 digits here and here matched. So therefore the required solution is how much? X is equal to 0.8526. So next is nothing but numerical integration. Okay, so we have three rules. Okay, for this, when we have to use Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, and Biddle's rule. So that means based on this, we will decide. Okay, so just observe this. It is very important to know that to apply Simpson's rule, if n value must be the multiple of 2, the given data, in the given data, we will represent by x0, x1, x2, x3 up to xn, right? So that n value, if it is a multiple of 2, then we'll apply Simpson's 1/3 rule. Similarly, if n is multiple of 3, okay, at that time we have to use Simpson's 3/8 rule. Similarly, Biddle's rule, when you have to apply Biddle's rule, then n is a multiple of 6. Okay, so just based on these three conditions, we will apply Simpson's 1/3, Simpson's 3/8, and Biddle's rule. Okay, so let us see what kind of problems we'll get. And this is a procedure. First, you have to write the given integral. First, to divide this into some intervals. So that is your wish. Okay, so based on a comma b, you can split that into any number of intervals. Like equidistant data, we need to form. Next, prepare the table consisting of values of x and corresponding computed values of y denoted respectively. Okay, that means x0, x1, x2 we need to find, y0, y1, y2 we need to find. Next, finally, substitute the values from this table into appropriate rule to obtain approximate value. Okay, so that means finally in that using the table, you have to substitute those values in the table. Okay, so let us see. Here they have given like integration 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x square. Okay, by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, taking 4 equal strips. That means we have to divide this interval into only 4 parts, not more than 4. Clear? So just check how will you divide. Okay, so based on how you will divide the strip means given interval is a comma b, okay, which is nothing but 0 comma 1, implies we have to divide above interval into four parts, four equal parts, implies length of interval is equal to b minus a divided by 4. Okay, because he has asked us to divide this into four equal parts. So b minus a, that means 1 minus 0 divided by 4. So what will be length of interval? That means h. H is equal to 1 by 4 we got. Okay. Now first divide this equal interval. How much you'll get? X value you have to take and y value you have to take. Okay. X is how much? First start with 0. 1 by 4 you have to add. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 you'll get. Next 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is 1. Okay. Now what is y here? We have to check. So y is equal to this integrand. 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now substitute 0. What happens? 1 by 1 plus 0, it is 1. Next. Y at x is equal to 1 by 4. So that means 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square. How much will get? 0.25. So 4 square means 16. 16, 17. In denominator 17, here 16. 16 by 17. So I'll get 16 by 17 here. 16 by 17. Next. Substitute 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 means here how much? 1 by 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 by 5. You'll get 4 by 5. So 4 by 5. Next 3 by 4. Substitute here 3 by 4. How much? 3 by 4 whole square means here 9, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. In denominator 25, 16 by 25. So 16 by 25. Next. 1. 1 you'll get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can write. Last one is 1 by 2. Now you have to denote these values as how much? This is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, similarly y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Now apply Newton's 1/3 rule, because here n is equal to 4. Okay, this is nothing but 2 into 2, right? So multiple of 2. So when it is multiple of 2, we can apply Simpson's 1/3 rule. Therefore, by Simpson's 1/3 rule, what happens? Check this Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule is nothing but y0 plus y1, y0 plus yn plus 4 into odd numbered terms plus 2 into even numbered terms. Okay, so here y is equal to h by 3. So h by 3 into y naught plus yn. So y4, sorry, y0 plus y4. Okay, h by 3 into y naught plus y4, odd number terms into 4. 4 into odd number terms is y1 plus y3, plus even number term, 2 into even number term. Even number term is y2. Okay, so that means so y is equal to h by 3. What is h by 3? That means 1 by 4 into y naught plus this one. So 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 into y1 plus y3. y1 plus y3 means 16 by 17 plus 16 by 25 plus 2 into 4 by 5. Let's calculate this. How much you'll get?
Sir, it's 1 by 12.
Huh?
H by 3.
1 by, ah,
Sir, it's 1 by 12.
yes, 1 by 12. 4 into 3, it is 12. So how much you'll get? One by 12 into, so it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus LCM is how much? Otherwise, do it as it is. Calculate in Calci and tell me the answer. Zero 0.7854. If you want, you can check once. Let me calculate in Calci. So 1 divided by 12 into bracket of 3 by 2 okay plus 4 into bracket of 16 divided by 17 plus 16 divided by 25 2 into 4 divided by 5 0.78539 you'll get. After fourth digit we are having more than 5, so round up to 4. So this is the right answer. So in this way, you have to calculate Simpson's 1/3. In the next class, we'll calculate Simpson's 3/8 rule. And he has asked, and hence find deduced an approximate value of pi. So how to find pi? How to find pi means, we'll check. Here they have given integral 1 by 1 plus x square, integral 0 to 1 dx. If you do it indirectly, what happens? Integral 1 by 1 plus x square, it is tan inverse x, ranging from 0 to 1. If you apply this, how much you'll get? Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. What is tan inverse 1? For what value of tan it will get 1? Pi by 2. Is it tan 90? No, tan 90 is infinity. Tan 45, I think. So pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus 0. Okay. So, but we got theoretically this one. Okay. Theoretically, y is equal to this one. But y equal to 0, sorry, y equal to 0 0.7854. You take this as equation 1. But theoretically and numerically, we should get the both answers same, right? So pi by 4 must be equal to 0 0.7854. Implies pi value is how much? 4 into 0 0.7854. So what will be pi value then? 4 into 0.7854. 3.1416. Clear? So in this way we'll get pi value.